The FAME waste management solution manages all kinds of waste types. As an example, municipality waste. The system manages the waste container discharging. Every waste container carries a unique RFID or other identification code. The FAME system handles also indoor bins located at malls, airports, or other public places. The system organizes the discharging of the indoor bins. Every bin carries a QR code or another unique identification code. The FAME lifecycle building management supports the eco-friendly demolition of buildings and building environment. The system classified the waste and organized automatically the disposal or recycling. Municipality waste, hazard waste, recycling waste, or bio-waste. No limits. The FAME solution records gapless the waste handling from point of collection until delivery for recycling or disposal. The FAME disposal and recycling management module use the FAME lifecycle management codes and the United Nations material codes. The material codes contain the transportation and disposal guidelines. First, an overview about the concept. The FAME system classified the waste or recycling materials with two predefined code systems. The materials contain the FAME Life Cycle Material Code and the United Nations Material Classification. The FAME code tracks the material through the life cycle. The United Nations code handles the transportation and disposal or recycling on the end of the life cycle. Every waste container or bin is linked with a material code. The system manages the collection points. The collection points can be every kind of bins or other waste containers. The FAME system initializes, overviews, and tracks the transportation and disposal process. An electronic or paper-based shipment voucher documents the process. On the end, the supervisor has a complete overview about the correct disposal or recycling process. The FAME system avoids inadequate handling of the material, protect in this way the environment, and avoids environment pollutions. The next slide shows the workflow with an example. The disposal company used the FAME module to track the process. For an example, the FAME mobile phone version. The staff reads the collection point barcode, which are mounted at the bin. Then he selects the material code from a catalog, or scan the barcode mounted on the material. Last information is the amount and unit. For an example, weight, gallons or pieces. The system generates automatically a voucher, electronic or paper-based, with the transportation regulations and the delivery location. The system automatically records the process, time and date of collection, the name of the transportation company, the staff identification, and the time and date of the delivery on the final destination. No gap. The recycling or disposal company closed the tracking voucher. The records automatically updated at the central database. Seamless documentation, from construction, purchasing, until demolition, disposal or recycling. The waste handling information are one part of the company environment audit. Now, we show the app for the material collection on site. After the login, the operator scans the barcode, which is mounted at the bin or container, to identify the pickup location, inside or outside location. After the identification of the location, the operator scans the material code from a catalog. In some case, the barcode is mounted at the material. In this case, the operator scans this code. The system shows detailed information about the material. In case of hazard material, a warn symbol appears. The amount can be recorded automatically with an electronic scale. With the OK button, the system records the type and amount at the central database. The system is ready for the next waste collection. As an option, the system compares the bin classification with the material classification. If the classification's not matching, a warning appears. The system creates automatically the tracking voucher, electronic or with paper. Now we show the tablet version for waste collection without barcodes. The operator selects the waste collection point. The waste polluter. The transportation company. And the company which is responsible for the recycling or disposal process. The operator chose the waste type and amount. He has the option to add handling and transportation information. The collection information appears on the list below. The operator collects the next waste type or change the collection point. A combination between barcode version and tablet version is available. On the end, we explain the supervisor dashboard. The dashboard shows online all information about the collection, transportation, and the destination. On the right side of the dashboard, the supervisor has the option to filter the information, for an example by pickup point. The waste producer. The transportation company. Or the waste type. The supervisor chooses the time frame for the information selection. The diagrams on the left side shows the status of the disposal process. Red color means the material is collected but not arrived at the final destination. The green color shows the material is arrived at the destination. In the middle of the dashboard, the system shows at a record every single material collection, depending on the settings of the filters. The supervisor can open the record. The system shows detailed information regarding the single material collection, like hazard class. We show only some functions of the comprehensive FAME disposal and recycling management solution. Don't hesitate to contact us for further information.